Hi Capricorn! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a love reading. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pero pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Thank you so much Capricorn. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Capricorn, romantic situation. Love life for Capricorn. Yeah, so bottom of the deck, okay, parang merong sadness sa situation nyo ngayon, okay, parang may disappointment and regrets. For some of you, naalala nyo yung mga sweet moments or yung kindness ng person ninyo sa inyo. Maybe you are parang malayo kayo siguro sa person ninyo, no? Maybe emotionally or hindi na ganun ka-close yung relationship ninyong dalawa. Okay, that is for some of you. Tingnan natin yung Six of Wands. Maybe your person is a public figure. Okay, he or she is very talented. Okay, madami siya mga friends. Madami siya mga kakilala. Parang achiever, no? Or maybe your person is a performer at the same time, Capricorn. Okay, he or she is being recognized. Nakikita ang kanyang galing sa kanyang trabaho or sa kanyang ginagawa. He or she is victorious, okay, sa career niya or sa creative projects, so artistry. Tingnan natin ano yung Six of Wands. Capricorn. Oh, dami. Yeah, King of Swords. Pero parang merong coldness, no, sa person ninyo. Parang hindi siya ganun ka nagko-communicate siya sa inyo pero parang logical, no? Logical, parang merong coldness at the same time. Okay? Yeah, King of Pentacles. Parang nakafocus lang siya sa kanyang trabaho, sa kanyang career. Maybe this person is older than you. Okay? Yeah, King of Swords. Yeah, parang nakafocus talaga siya sa kanyang ambisyon, sa kanyang popularity, or sa kanyang creative works. Okay? So that's why parang hindi nabibigyan ng atensyon ang inyong relationship or ikaw. Okay. Bakit may Seven of Pentacles? The Chariot. So, meaning your person is very ambitious. Maybe he or she is traveling. Okay? Siguro yung trabaho niya nagre-require sa kanya mag-travel. Kaya minsan, siguro magkalayo kayo. Okay. Seven of Pentacles. Nine of Cups. Yeah, so nag-iisip yung person ninyo at the same time kung paano i-nurture or bigyan ka ng oras. Okay? Or paano ka mapapasaya. Maybe your person, kahit hindi lang din siya siguro nagsasalita, but emotionally, meron din siyang consideration sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Maybe your person, nafe-feel niya natin na parang kulang or hindi na ganun ka-happy ang inyong relationship. Okay? Yeah, aware siya. Aware yung person ninyo na merong discontentment, okay? Dissatisfaction sa inyong relationship, most especially sa inyong side. Okay? Yeah, Knight of Swords. Yeah, kailangan niyang umaksyon sa relationship para bigyan ka ng happiness, okay? And emotional satisfaction at the same time. Yeah, merong pride, no? Actually, meron din pride sa person ninyo. Okay? Maybe also yung person ninyo will be talking to you or parang hindi mo na-expect kakausapin ka about sa kung anong nangyayari sa inyong relationship. Okay? Bakit may 10 of Swords? Ano itong 10 of Swords? Page of Swords. Okay? Why? Meron bang ending sa relationship ninyo or there is separation? Separation or breakup? Okay? For some of you, merong someone na nag-spy, nagsastalk what is happening between sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Yeah. Parang inaalam mo din kung anong nangyayari sa person mo. Kung bakit parang merong may coldness sa kanya, sa part niya. And this is something na parang ang bigat ng inyong relationship or ang inyong connection. Tingnan natin. Yeah, 5 of Swords. Yeah, hindi pagkakaintindihan. Okay? Merong mga argumentations and conflict. You are not seeing eye to eye. You're not on the same page, Capricorn. Okay? Yeah. Parang yung situation nyo, hindi very na lang yung parang casual, okay? Parang kulang ng warm. Yeah. Merong emotional detachment or separation. Maybe for some of you, merong breakup na nangyari or nararamdaman nyo or going na sa ganong status. Okay? Papunta na sa ganong status. Yeah, just take what resonates for you, Capricorn. Eight of Cups. I get my Eight of Cups. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. You are also moving on. Okay? Merong moving on sa part ninyo. And you also feel that your person is parang lumalayo na rin sa inyo emotionally. Okay? It's either you or your person or this is both of you. Nararamdaman mo. Parang nakafocus yung person ninyo sa kanyang stability, sa kanyang finances. Yeah. Tingnan natin. Look at Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, the Empress. Okay. And you, Capricorn, you are also, parang nakafocus ka na rin sa inyong sarili. Parang you are moving forward para abutin. Okay? Kung ano yung goals ninyo, okay, financially, sa trabaho. Okay? Yeah, parang ayaw mo lang din siguro na magmukmok or magdwell sa situation na feeling mo parang one-sided lang ang relationship. Okay? Parang titingnan mo na lang is parang come what may, no? Kung anong mangyayari between the two of you. You are just, you are moving on. You are just letting things to unfold naturally or on its own. Okay? Pero you need to focus on yourself as well. Kung ano yung pangangailangan mo. Okay? Focus ka sa work mo, sa money, or sa inyong resources. Yeah. Maybe also for some of you, your person nag-o-offer sa'yo or sinusuyo ka, but then parang parang hindi ka ganun ka 100% sure kung totoo ba yung intention niya sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Maybe for some of you, merong proposal na nangyari. Okay? Knight of Pentacles and the Empress. You will be the mother of his or her child. Okay? Of his child, I mean. Or it's the other way around. Okay? And now, parang iiwanan mo muna yon. Parang hindi ka na ganun ka-interesado or nag-move on ka because you don't like the situation na parang kulang sa emosyon. Okay? Yeah. Dahil nakafocus din yung person ninyo sa career niya, sa trabaho niya. And there is coldness in the situation. King of Swords. Eight of Cups. Yes. Talagang merong coldness in the situation. Hindi kayo nag-uusap. Okay? Heart to heart talk. Walang ganun. And then you feel also that your person is parang lumalayo din sa inyo emotionally. Parang detached. Excuse me. Yeah. For some, merong abandonment issues. Okay? Abandon, parang napabayaan. Ang inyong relationship, napabayaan ka. Okay? You feel that way? Capricorn. Yeah. Ace of Pentacles. Okay? So, parang nakafocus lang about sa career or sa money matters ang inyong situation. Okay? Yeah. And also, for some of you, your person is nag-iisip. Pero no action at all. Parang lagi lang siyang sa isip niya. Okay? Siguro gusto niyang lumapit sa inyo or ano, pero parang hindi niya magawa actively. Yeah. Siguro meron na ring mutual understanding or mutual agreement. Okay? Sa inyo. Na parang the situation is lumalayo or parang nag-fade na. Okay? Yung connection. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, that is the case. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest, Capricorn. There is coldness. Walang pag-uusap na maayos about sa relationship nyo, about feelings and emotions or heart-to-heart talk. Okay. What is Three of Pentacles? Yeah, the Fool. And the Queen of Swords. So, there is discord. Okay? Parang, hindi naman sa nagkakanya-kanya, pero parang ganun na rin, no? Parang open ang mga possibilities sa inyo. Okay? Yeah, and yeah, wala talaga siyang pag-uusap. Parang you're on your own and your person is also on his own. Okay? Yeah. Parang come what may kung anong mangyayari sa inyong situation. But for now, parang merong emotional distance or emotional separation kung hindi man physical. Okay? Physical na separation. Yeah. Parang you are free of expectations from one another. Yeah. parang open ka sa possibilities na mangyayari sa'yo, and the same time your person, ganun din. So, there is discord. Okay? Walang oneness. Page of Cups. Lumabas yung Page of Cups. Okay, Seven of Pentacles. Mayroon pa bang patutunguhan to or hindi? Okay. I think kailangan yung mag-uusap kung i-further pa ba ang inyong relationship, ituloy pa ba or hindi. Okay. A heart-to-heart talk or a warm conversation ang kailangan sa inyong sitwasyon about sa inyong direksyon, direksyon ng inyong relasyon. Okay. Or i-grow. Pag-uusap about i-grow ang inyong relasyon. Judgment. Yeah. For some of you, may kailangan talagang i-assess, pag-usapan kung anong nangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon. Yeah. Or magkakaroon na ba ng new direction? Anong new direction to sa relationship nyo? Okay. Ace of Swords. Kailangan the same time ng inner strength. Kung mag-uusap man kayong dalawa, lakasan ng loob. Okay? And be patient. And accepting the situation. Kung ano man ang mapag-usapan ninyo, acceptance is needed. Kung ano man yung patutunguhan. Okay? Ace of Swords. Truth will come out sa inyong pag-uusap. Okay? Merong revelation at the same time, magkakaroon ng mental clarity kung bakit nangyayari ng ganito ang inyong sitwasyon. Okay, so kailangan ng warm conversation or openness sa isa't isa. Dahil parang hindi na kayo, you're not on the same page anymore. Okay? That is for some of you. Okay, nakuha tayo ng iba pang messages. Capricorn. Additional message for Capricorn. New beginning, yeah. A new adventure awaits. Embrace it and live your dreams passionately. Okay. New beginning. Tingnan natin, hidden truths. Ano yung mga hidden truths from your person? Capricorn. I knew exactly what I was doing. Meron ganyan. Parang alam ng person mo kung ano yung ginagawa niya or anong nangyayari sa kanya or ano yung nangyayari sa inyo. Kung anong ginagawa niya sa inyo. Okay? Or sa inyong relasyon. I know that I crossed the line with you. Hidden truths. I replay our conversations over and over. Okay? So, Capricorn, ito lang yung mga messages sa inyo. Maraming salamat and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!